This is my man's prayer. It is to be read aloud at night before bedtime and again in the morning upon arising. Almighty Creator of all that is, knower of all that is known, I am a God-man on your earth, and I am your earthly masculine extension. I join your feminine God-women as protectors and nurturers of your earthly domain. I humbly submit and attend your demands, your will. I am committed to bringing order to my space of your universe. Where there is chaos in my space, I will bring calmness, strength, and protection in your spiritual likeness. I am a God-man on your earth. I represent the masculine side of your omnipotent energy. I bring integrity, moral potency, and fortitude in order to help create harmony, justice, balance, and security. I am a God-man on your earth. I am your servant, and I am an extension of you. I feel your commanding energy within my being. I conduct my actions with full acknowledgement that you are in my thoughts, deeds, and actions, and I behave accordingly. My judgments about how I conduct my affairs are ordered by you. I am a God-man on your earth. As such, only your truth guide my language and deeds in accordance with your heavenly laws. I ceaselessly capitulate to your will, for I am a God-man on your earth. I join and respect your God-women, who represent the undeniable, life-giving feminine aspect of your supreme energy to create a harmonious atmosphere in which our children will grow and thrive in the warm shelter of your powerful, encouraging, and nurturing force. I am a God-man on your earth. I am free of guilt, fear, worry, anger, trepidation, and hostility, because your creative, godly presence residing in me easily handles life's cares and concerns. My experiences, occurrences, and circumstances do not change the fact that I am, at my core, a God-man on your earth. I am one with you in all that you have created. Your peace is my ambition, at all times, in all ways and manner. Amen. Hetep. Peace.